Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. What you're about to see is not just a truck. It's a multi-million-dollar masterpiece rolling on 18 wheels. The 2026 International LoneStar Motorhome, a $2 million luxury experience that redefines what it means to live on the road. From the outside, it looks like a beast chrome detailing, aggressive front grille, custom LED lighting, and a stance that screams power. But it's when you step inside that everything changes. You're not in a truck anymore. You're in a 5-star suite. The interior opens up with electronically expanding slide-outs, giving you more living space than most apartments. The floors are finished in heated marble tile. The walls, covered in custom leather paneling with real wood inlays. Every material here has been hand-picked to scream elegance. On your left, the living room, a plush Italian leather sofa facing a retractable 65-inch 4K smart TV, complete with surround sound and ambient mood lighting. Behind it, a fully automated fireplace with real flame visuals. This is not overkill. This is LoneStar luxury. Move into the kitchen and things get even more serious. Quartz countertops, a full-size induction cooktop, convection oven, dual-zone fridge with a wine cooler, and a deep basin farmhouse sink. Everything's touch-controlled, and yes, the cabinets are soft-close. The bathroom is something you have to see to believe. LED-lit rain shower with multiple pressure zones, backlit mirrors, touchless faucet controls, and even a built-in aromatherapy diffuser. It's like stepping into a luxury spa but on a moving highway. The bedroom? Absolute sanctuary. King-size memory foam bed with a custom upholstered headboard, starlight ceiling, hidden storage, and sky blue-out blinds that drop with a whisper. There's even a walk-in closet with automated lighting and a built-in safe. Tech-wise, this rig is a fortress. Full satellite connectivity, solar panel backup, smart home control system integrated through voice or phone, and a 360-degree security cam system monitored in real time. But don't be fooled, this is still a LoneStar. Underneath all the elegance is a turbocharged diesel engine built for endurance. With air suspension that adapts to every road condition. It's smooth, it's powerful, and yes, it's built to haul while looking like royalty. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement, a 2-miler declaration that freedom, power, and style can live under one roof, and that roof just happens to move. Thanks for watching. If you love machines that push limits like this one, stay locked in right here on Auto Plus.